Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video in our channel. In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram username. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get started. From the home screen of your Instagram, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now as soon as you do that, you'll land on your profile section. Now tap on the edit profile option, which should be showing right here. After you do that, you'll see a section of name and username. To change your username, simply tap on the username option and it will take you inside. Now you can make any changes here, maybe add in or remove anything that you want to your username, and after that you can tap on the tick mark on the top right. And as easy as that, your username will be changed on your Instagram. You can also do the same for your name. Tap on your name and make any changes, and tap on the tick mark on the top right. So that's it. That's the easy process on how to change username or name on your Instagram account. If this video helped you out, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.